If you're looking for beautiful, really great casual summer stuff, especially for the upcoming 4th of July holiday, then I've got the haul for you. Hi, welcome. My name's Oralia, and I'm really excited about today's haul. Today I am hauling J. Crew Factory. I'm a personal stylist, and my goal in life is to help plus size women look and feel their most beautiful, elegant, luxurious selves. I love to shop, and a big part of being a personal stylist is shopping. It is my job to scour all of what's out there on the web and everywhere to find the best and most beautiful things for you so that you don't have to. I only picked up 6 things in this haul, but I will say that these 6 things kind of act as a capsule wardrobe. Let me explain. I have brought in a sundress, a shirt dress, a chambray shirt, a long sleeve, almost like a very, very thin, lightweight sweater, and a sleeveless V-neck sweater that they call the beach sweater, as well as a pair of twill pants. I'm going to start out with the dresses first. I mean, I was just feeling those red, white, and blue vibes, man. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm feeling it this year. So this first dress, I mean, it stole my heart. It is so pretty. It is a lightweight sundress, you know, something that you can throw on over a swimsuit or just wear on its own. It's really, really pretty. It has such a pretty red, white, and blue with little bit of yellow print. Very, very Americana, if you ask me. I mean, I just feel like you could just look so beautiful in New England, Martha's Vineyard. That's kind of the vibe that this whole haul brings me. You will have to wear a strapless bra with it. The dress is made of a rayon fabric. It does have adjustable straps on it. It has a side zip. It's got a self-tie belt. It also has a really cute little ruffle hem, and you know, I love me a little ruffle hem, and it has pockets. Oh, and it also has an elasticated waist. It is such a lightweight, cool fabric. I think that this is perfect for summer. I think that you will be really, really comfortable in this dress. I would say that you probably want to wear a slip short underneath it just to kind of help keep things nice and together. If you've got a bust my size or smaller, the bodice is going to fit you a little bit big under the arms. That was the only thing that I found with it. And I would say, oh, well, you could just have it altered. However, the zipper is right under the arm. Your tailor might have to do a little bit more work in order to take that in. So I think if you were to go down a size, I think you would be okay. So just know that if you've got a bust my size or smaller, but if you have a larger chest, you're going to be able to take up that slack. If you're larger chested, stay with your true size. This is a 20, by the way. If you are smaller busted, then you want to go down a size. I didn't even have to undo the zipper to get into this dress, though. That was the nice thing about it. I was able to just put it on over my head. I always am nervous when there's a side zipper involved because in a lot of cases that just means that it's going to be really tight somewhere. But actually, no, this dress was very, very nice. It was very comfortable. I even like the self-tie. I really like how that looks. You could use another belt if you wanted to with it, but I felt that the self-tie was actually quite pretty. It's very minimal. It's really thin, and you know, it just sat really beautifully on the dress. So that I chose not to bring in a different belt. The shoes that I am wearing are the drop wedge heels that I got from Amazon. I will have those and everything linked in the description bar down below, as well as in a pinned comment on this video. And then the straw tote is from Target, which I don't think you can order it online anymore. I will have an alternative that I think is just as nice linked for you from Amazon. The second dress that I brought in is this really pretty shirt dress in a red, white, and blue plaid. It has a collar, it has buttons all the way down, it also has a U-shaped hem, it has a belt, and it has pockets. I am just beside myself with how cute this dress is. I really love it. The armholes were ample. The collar is really cute. It was easy to put on. You could definitely use this as a swimsuit cover up if you wanted to, because you could just wear it open like a long cover up. I even really like the belt that it came with. I thought that that looked really pretty, but again, you could put your own belt on with this if you wanted to. It's a cotton dress. It does have a very thin cotton lining on it. It is a very, very lightweight fabric, so the air is going to be able to pass through it really easily. It doesn't cling to the body. It's a great little vacation dress, I think. I ordered this one in a size 20. Another great vacation dress. So let's talk about the tops. First of all, this little sleeveless V-neck beach sweater is what they call it. It is in a really pretty coral shade. This is a really nice thin summer weight sweater. You can pop this sweater over your swimsuit and it's going to keep you covered, but it will, because it breathes so well, you will be able to dry. I really like it. It fits really well. I ordered the 2XL in this and I really, really love this like corally orange kind of color. Coral is one of those colors that is pretty much flattering on a lot of skin tones. I really like this sweater. I think it's super nice, very versatile. I'm showing you the red, white, and blue dress with this sweater over top. I love that because that takes that dress, makes it a little bit more appropriate for an office. So that is really awesome. I love the fact that all of these pieces, you can mix and match them and layer them, and they all work really, really well. I'm really, really loving this entire collection. But anyway, I digress. The next top is this cute little, what I call summer weight sweater. This almost feels like a thicker t-shirt. It does have long sleeves. It's blue and white striped. What I really, really love about the sweater is that it's got the contrast navy blue and white stripe here on the collar, on the sleeves, and on the band at the bottom of the sweater. Not to mention this cute little guy right here, this little lobster that it's got on there, giving it a little pop of red. I don't even like lobster, but I am in love with this particular sweater. I think it is adorable. And you know that I'm into stripes right now. This one is different from the striped shirts that I already have. If you're in a cooler climate, this is absolutely a sweater that you could wear at night over, you know, whatever. I imagine like sitting by the fire, you're in shorts, it's a little bit chilly, so you put this little sweater on over your tank top, or you tie it over your shoulders and you're set. I want to go to Maine. This sweater really, really makes me want to go to Maine, but totally a Martha's Vineyard kind of look. You know, it is a little bit of that quiet luxury kind of look and feel. It is a very, very lightweight knit. It has got a really nice weight to it though. I think that it reminds me of a thicker t-shirt with sleeves. And again, I really, really love the contrast on the arms and at the bottom and at the neck. Never mind the lobster. I think that is an excellent little style detail. Just a really, really well-made sweater. I really enjoy J. Crew Factory because you get that J. Crew quality, but at a lower price. I love J. Crew, don't get me wrong, and there are pieces there that are incredible and that, you know, are definitely worth it, but J. Crew Factory, if you want a lower price point, definitely try them. The next thing is this chambray shirt that I picked up in a really, really beautiful dark wash. The chambray is thick and it is a dark wash, which I love. I've got a chambray shirt already that I thrifted and I like it, but I really, really like this one a lot more. First of all, the wash is dark, it's uniform, there's no distressing on it whatsoever. That gives it a level of being dressier, I think, and then it only has one pocket. It doesn't have a flap on the pocket. The chambray shirt that I have has got flaps on the pockets with little buttons, so it's a little bit fussier. It's got darting on the back, which helps it to fit the body really well. I could wear this as a little jacket or I could wear it on its own. I was a little worried that the sleeves were going to be tight, and when I first put it on, they were, but as I wore it, the sleeves loosened up. That means that this is a keeper for me. I really, really like it. I like the gauge of the denim. It's a really nice, heavier denim. If you're going for that denim on denim look, this chambray shirt is going to be really, really great for you. I can't say enough good things about this chambray shirt. It is the perfect classic to add to your wardrobe. The last piece that I'm bringing you are these pair of chinos. They are called the High Rise Girlfriend trend chino. And when I pulled them out of the box, I thought, oh, that doesn't look like a high rise to me, but actually it is. I ordered these in a size 20. They do not come in lengths, and so they fit me a little bit long. They showed this styled in two different ways, cuffed and uncuffed. And so you are able to cuff it. It's kind of like, that's almost like a look. I like these because I was thinking ahead to some of the sweaters and such that I have during the winter and how I would wear this during the winter. I really like these because they are a really nice weight. They are truly a chino. They've got slash pockets in the back. They've got the pockets here on the side. They do fit me slightly big, but that's okay. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me why I wear my pants so baggy. These are a little bit relaxed, which is 100% my vibe. These are so good. And they're not wide leg. I know a lot of you guys have been commenting on the fact that I always wear wide leg pants. Well, here you go. I now have a pair of pants that are not wide leg that you're going to see me in again and again. I really like these. These are going to fit beautifully into my wardrobe. I'm adding these to the mix because these are a different fabric. They're a different cut. They're not pleated. They're awesome, guys. Awesome. They've got other colors available. I probably could have gone to an 18, but then they would have been a little bit tight, and that's just not how I like to wear my pants. So there you have it. So that was my haul. I know, tiny but mighty. Part of doing what I do means that I get to try out new brands and see what kind of plus size offerings they have. And I'm telling you, J. Crew Factory passes the test with flying colors. If you're interested in seeing other brands that I've tried recently, I'm gonna leave you with my Gap and Abercrombie haul video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in that video. Bye.